Hola caracoles y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Cori, I am Cori, and I'm one of the teachers at Spring Spanish. Hoy es miércoles, today is Wednesday, but oh, I wish it was the weekend already. So, I bet you already guessed today's topic. Los días de la semana! Yay, the weekdays! So, let's start! One of the first things I like to learn how to say when I'm learning a new language is odio los lunes. I hate Mondays because I hate Mondays. Tell me why. Lo siento, tuve un momento. I'm sorry, I just got a moment there. But anyway, so let's see the days of the week, shall we? Lunes, Monday, martes, Tuesday, miércoles, Wednesday, jueves, Thursday, viernes, Friday, sábado, Saturday y domingo, Sunday. In Spanish, we don't pluralize los días laborales, the days of the week. We just make sure the article defines if we're talking about, let's say, los lunes, the Mondays, or el lunes, the Monday. For the weekend days, sábados y domingos, Saturdays and Sundays, we just add an S at the end. So it will be sábados for Saturdays y domingos for Sundays. Es fácil, ¿verdad? It's easy, right? Ahora, dos notas importantes. Two important notes. One, unlike English, we do not capitalize the days of the week, unless, of course, we are starting a sentence. And number two, número dos, all of our weekdays are masculine. So that means that the article that we will use will be el martes, or uno, un viernes. You got it, right? As I said at the beginning of the video, hoy es miércoles. Today is Wednesday. Well, at least the day that I'm recording this, so... ¿Qué día es hoy para ti? What day is it today for you? All this sounds muy bien. Great. But how can I do to remember the days of the week? I got it, lo tengo. So in Spanish, we name the days of the week after the planets, except the moon, los lunes, because the moon is a satellite. Anyway, tú me entiendes, you got me, right? So it goes like this. Lunes, Monday, after the moon. Martes, Tuesday, after Marte, Mars. Miércoles, Wednesday, after Mercurio, Mercury. Jueves, Thursday, after Júpiter, Jupiter. Viernes, Friday, after Venus, Venus. I hope that will help you remember the days. What do you think? Let's move on with the pronunciation. Repite después de mí. Repeat after me. Lunes. Martes. Miércoles. Did you notice we have an accent there at the E? It's very important to emphasize the E. So it's miércoles. Jueves. Did you notice we pronounce the J as if we were saying who, but a little bit stronger? So repeat after me. Jueves. Viernes. Sábado. We also have an accent there, so emphasize the A. Domingo. Very well, that's easy. Es fácil, ¿verdad? Let's try a sentence for each day of the week, shall we? Vamos. Odio los lunes. I hate Mondays. You already know this, but okay. Los martes como con mi familia. On Tuesdays, I eat with my family. Miércoles es mitad de semana. Wednesday is hump day. El próximo jueves me voy de vacaciones. Next Thursday, I'm going on holidays. Los viernes son mi día favorito de la semana. Friday is my favorite day of the week. Los sábados hacemos carnes asadas. On Saturdays, we do a barbecue. Y me gustaría que los domingos nunca terminaran. I wish Sundays will never end. Now you've learned the days of the week. So tell me in the comments, ¿cuál es tu día favorito? What's your favorite day? ¿Es el viernes como el mío? Is it Fridays like mine? Or ¿qué día es hoy? What day is it today? Tengo muchas ganas de leerlos. I'm looking forward to read you. So let me know. We have a whole series of Spanish beginner videos, so feel free to go and check our channel for more of my videos. So for example, if you already learned the days of the week, maybe you want to learn los meses, the months. Or you can also check the videos of my other colleagues at Spring Spanish. Also, if you are taking serious learning Spanish and you want to take it a step further, why don't you visit our Spring Spanish Academy website, where you will find what method we use to have you speaking Spanish super rápido, super fast. You can also find some free samples for some Spanish lessons there. Click on the link in the description to sign up. And I really hope you enjoyed. Espero que te hayas divertido. Yo me divertí muchísimo. I really enjoyed it. So, hasta la próxima y gracias totales. Bye bye.